Hi parents! I just wanted to include a little video on how to use your Google Classroom when you are remote learning from home. This will be an example of what the page will look like once your child logs into their Google Classroom. If you could, first things first, have your child go to their Curé of Ours email, and they should have an invitation from their classroom teacher to join the remote learning Google Classroom. Once you accept that invitation to join, you will be taken to a screen and it will look like this. So this is an example of how we worked Google Classroom last semester in 5th grade, and it will look very much the same this semester. So this is your stream page. On this page, you will have all of the upcoming work listed, and we will list them, your lesson plans weekly. On here, we will upload them on Fridays, and you can click on your lesson plans and it will walk you through what is expected of you for the week. We do ask that you just work day to day and do not move ahead. So you will have everything listed out on here, your reading, your math, writing, religion. We will also have social studies and science and your ancillaries on there as well. So you can look at this day by day so you know what is happening for the week and you can prepare and plan. Right. Also on the stream page is any information that may be coming from school. So like for example, we had a message from our counselor, Mrs. Stillwell. So anything on there will be, or anything from Mr. Legler or anything that's happening school-wide will be listed on here to keep you up to date. So now I'm going to move to our classwork page. This is where you can view all of the work that is expected for you to do. Scroll up here to the top. Over here on the left-hand side, this is all the topics, okay? So right now I'm looking at it in all topics view, and if I scroll down, I'll see that I have my math, my English and writing, my religion, science, social studies, so on and so forth. If I would like to just look at one topic, I'm going to look over here and I'm going to click on math, and it'll have all of my work posted there that I'm supposed to complete. English and writing, it'll have all of my work, and so on and so forth in each topic. If I go back up here to all topics and I look over here at everything that was due, and this is much longer than it will look to your child, this is all of the work that we did last semester. So if you look at this and notice that this color on this little clipboard here is gray, that means that that assignment has been turned in for your teacher to view. Okay, it looks like, oh, this student did an excellent job of getting their work turned in. All of these are gray. If I look here though, we missed one, and that is purple. Okay, so I can go ahead and I'm going to click on this assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to view this assignment and say, did I turn it in or did I do that? So let's go ahead and look in this assignment. And what he just needed to do, it looks like he started it and he did it. So what he needed to do was to go back here and to go into the view work and to click turn in. Every time that you complete an assignment, you always need to click that turn in button. If you have completed an assignment and you're like, ooh, I made a mistake, I need to go back and redo that, you can go back to unsubmit, click unsubmit, go back to your assignment, fix whatever you needed to fix, then go back in and click turn in. Now your teacher should have it. All right, let's go back to our home page here. Oh, I wanted to also point out, you can also put in private comments. So say I have a question about something that I needed to do. Or, did you receive this? Okay, I can just type that in. Did you receive my assignment? Okay, and if I click this, it will go straight to my teacher, and it will post to my teacher, and then she can comment right back to me. Great communication tool. All right, the last tab here is the people. On this page, you will have all of your teachers here that are on your Google Classroom. And then you have all your classmates here, okay? If you have a question for your teacher or for someone else if maybe you're working in a small group or you have a question for your learning coach, they will be listed here and you can just click on their email and send them an email directly and it will go directly to them. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I'm sure we will have questions. Just write those questions down and you may contact your classroom teacher and she will get back to you. I hope this was helpful and hope to see you guys soon.